The Series 3700 vinyl multi-slide door is more than a new solution for indoor-outdoor living. It represents a fundamental change in the business of building better. While retaining contemporary design features like big glass and a narrow profile, we've developed and refined key operating mechanisms while also managing to enhance the installation process. A new sill track insert allows the door to move with ease, making it highly adaptable to a variety of flooring substrate conditions. For protection against water intrusion, a self-contained sill is designed with an integrated weep system, eliminating the need for a hard sill pan. In addition to color-matched hardware and a concealed locking system that give the door a clean, consistent appearance, there's a durable black capstock option, providing even more versatility. Additional features of the Series 3700 vinyl multi-slide door encourage an overall easier, faster, and less costly installation process. The door's 3-panel configuration is designed to fit into most 2x6 openings as well as some 2x4 applications, requiring no additional framing. 4-panel, biparting, and 90-degree options are also available. 2 nail-thin setback options built into the profile allow you to select which version works best for your project. The Series 3700 vinyl multi-slide door is so smart, so easy, and so economical. It can change the way you think about building indoor-outdoor living spaces.